Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it's a beautiful hadith. He said that Allah, that no, wa inna fil jasadi mudgha, that in your body there is a piece of flesh. Mudgha means a piece of flesh. Iza salahat salahal jasadu kulluhu. If that piece of flesh is doing well, is working good, the entire body is working good. Wa iza fasadat, and if that is not working well, fasadal jasadu kulluhu, the entire body is not working well. Allah, no, wahiyal qalb, that piece of meat that has an effect on the entire body, the health of that piece of wealth has an impact on the entire body, is your qalb. Now, does that mean that if you're a cardiac patient, your rest of your body will also not work? Maybe yes, that also holds true. If you're a cardiac patient, you can't do a lot of things. But what it really means is that if the spiritual state of your heart is not well, the rest of the body is also going to have a downfall. And if the spiritual state of the body is well, the rest of the body will also be well as well. This qalb that I've been using, the word heart that I've been using, is basically a placeholder, right? Do you understand the term makan and makeen? So it's the residence and the resident. So makan is the residence and makeen is the resident who stays in that residence, right? So this qalb that I've been referring to, this mudgha that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is referring to, is the placeholder, is the makan, is the residence. But inside that residence is a makeen, and that makeen is our ruh. So inside that place is our resident, and that resident is often referred to as fuad, right? Inna samma wal basara wal fuad kullu ulaika kana anhu mas'ula. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that indeed the eyes, the ears, the eyes, the heart, each one of them would be questioned, right? So this fuad that's been mentioned over here is the makeen, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had mentioned that narullahil muqada allati tattaliu ala al-afida, that there is a fire that is being ignited that will reach their hearts, right? So this afida, fuad, this is basically the makeen, the resident that is being mentioned, and place of the residence itself is qalb, right? It's very easy to understand that why two places are being used. You know, Pakistan, India having a conflict these days, often we will hear on the newspaper or in the news that so and so has said that Islamabad should correct its way, or Islamabad should deal with the so and so in their country. It's not that Islamabad means that there are the people who run the country. That's the capital of the country, and they are the ones who are in control. Or Delhi and Islamabad should show constraint, or should be reserve in their actions. So which basically is referring to the whole of the country, but you're referring to one as a placeholder for the other. So it's the same thing.